So in this video, you'll learn how to disable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to launch the phone app. And then from here, you want to ensure that you're in the keypad section and then just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings from this pop-up menu. Next, you'll be taken to the call settings menu. And from here, you want to scroll and select supplementary services. And then once your supplementary services have loaded, you want to select call forwarding. And then you want to choose either voice calls or video calls. It depends on why you turned call forwarding on. Then once you've selected your option, wait for them to load. And then from here, you should see the different categories that were used to enable call forwarding. So for example, I enabled call forwarding for the forward when busy option. So if I want to disable it, I just tap on it like that and select disable. And then I'll need to wait for it to load the changes. And once the changes have been loaded, you should see call forwarding has been turned off successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.